Patricia Van Haren, family law attorney. Many people will ask, what is the mandatory waiting period of time for me to be able to get a divorce in the state of California? The mandatory minimum statutory time for a couple to get divorced is 6 months and 1 day after the responding party has been served with the petition for dissolution. Now, that doesn't mean your case will take only 6 months to be completed. There are many factors that go into a divorce. Both parties are going to need to come to agreements or have court hearings in regards to property division, support, and child custody. Therefore, it's important to stay active and involved in your case during this process. If the parties have not agreed on outstanding issues, the court may agree to what's called a bifurcated or a divided judgment after that 6 months and 1 day, which allows each person to have the status of single for purposes of filing their taxes and for going on with their single life, including perhaps getting remarried to someone else during this process. However, in some cases, there may be issues such as health insurance that is an employer-based plan that will have to be taken into account in order for that bifurcated separation and dissolution date to occur. The best way to go about this is to first communicate with your spouse and see if they can come to an agreement in dissolving the marriage while the other issues are outstanding. Otherwise, a motion will have to be filed with the court in order to obtain a judgment of single status at that mandatory minimum date.